Hello, my channel family. Thank you very much for coming again. I have no doubt that today's videos will be very useful and educational. If you are new, please subscribe and become a family. Health benefits of avocado oil. Avocado oil offers several benefits for the skin due to its rich nutrient profile. Here are the key health benefits. 1. Moisturizes and hydrates. Avocado oil is rich in oleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid that helps keep the skin hydrated by locking in moisture. It's ideal for dry or sensitive skin, providing deep nourishment. 2. Rich in antioxidants. It contains vitamins E and C, both powerful antioxidants that protect the skin from free radical damage, reducing signs of aging and promoting skin repair. 3. Boosts collagen production. The high content of vitamin E and other essential fatty acids in avocado oil supports the production of collagen, helping improve skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 4. Soothes inflammation. Avocado oil has anti-inflammatory properties due to its content of phytosterols and antioxidants. It helps calm irritated or inflamed skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, and acne. Heals wounds and scars. The essential fatty acids in avocado oil aid in skin regeneration and wound healing. It can help diminish scars and speed up the healing of cuts and scrapes. Protects against sun damage. Although it's not a replacement for sunscreen, avocado oil contains vitamin E, which can help reduce the harmful effects of. A quick review. Avocado oil is a healthy fat that provides vitamin E plus plant compounds like polyphenols and carotenoids. It may help support heart health and improve your intake of vitamin E and health-promoting fatty acids. Avocado oil has a high smoke point and makes an excellent choice for sautéing, frying, and baking. It can also be used as a finishing oil and to make dressings and marinades. Consuming unrefined cold-pressed avocado oil can help you reap the most health benefits as it contains higher levels of protective compounds such as vitamin E and polyphenol antioxidants. Thank you very much for coming again. I have no doubt that today's videos will be very useful and educational. If you are new, please subscribe and become a family.